Hey there, folks. If you're an IndusInd Bank customer, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to check your IndusInd Bank account balance in 2025. With the latest tech updates, it's faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're on the go or at home, let's break this down step by step so you can handle it in no time. First things first, the easiest way is through the IndusInd Bank mobile app. Start by downloading or updating the app from your App Store. It's free and available for both Android and iOS. Once installed, open the app and log in with your username and password. If it's your first time, you'll need to set up biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for quicker access. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. Look for the Account Summary or Balance Inquiry tab. It's usually right at the top. Tap on it and voila! Your current balance will pop up instantly. Pro tip: enable notifications so you get real-time alerts on your transactions. If you prefer the web version, head to the IndusInd Bank website on your computer or phone browser. Log in with your net banking credentials, navigate to the Accounts section, and select your account to view the balance. This method is great for detailed statements. For those without internet access, you can use SMS banking. Just send a specific code like BAL, followed by your account number to the bank's short code, and you'll receive your balance via text. Remember, ensure your mobile number is registered with the bank for this to work. Lastly, if you're out and about, visit any ATM. Insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and choose the Balance Inquiry option. It's straightforward, but be mindful of any fees for using non-bank ATMs. There you have it. Multiple ways to check your balance in 2025, all designed for convenience and security. Always keep your login details safe and update your app regularly. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.